What's going on, guys? It's Danny from Slow Restoration. We're getting ready to fire the Turbo GMC back up, take it outside, hook it to a trailer. We have to unload the S10 we just bought because it's delivery day for the OBS. Let's get this thing backed out. It's going to be the final reveal as we get it loaded up and get it delivered. There is a couple other things we did on this, and we'll show them off as soon as we get this thing backed out. As you can see, we have it outside. One of the other things we did add the Rough Country logo with a backer plate and painted it orange to match the bow tie in the front there. The hood is popped, by the way. And on the side here, again, we did the interior. Well, we just kind of put it back together. Still obviously needs detailed. There's still mud. That wasn't part of my deal. We'll do the best we can. There still needs detail, but yes, a lot of people were asking about the interior. We did do the door jambs, as you can see, with bed liner. We got decent door panels to go back on. These need cleaned, but they're not all beat up like the other ones were. They're not broke. Other than that, it's pretty much a stock 1993 Chevy truck inside. The only other thing we're doing inside is replacing the seat, but that'll just have to wait for right now because we need to get this back to Steve. He's anxious to get it back. Do a quick walk around here. Got our lights painted black on the roll bar. Tail lights are all in, tag lights are in, tag handle or tailgate handles on. Another question I got asked, sorry about the wind noise, is the gas door. We did open that up and rhino line that right along with it. It all matches, so try and shield this a little bit from the wind. Frame's all blacked out. It's looking good. Let's get it loaded up on the trailer and get this thing delivered to Steve. We got the trailer unloaded. S10's over there for now. Let's get this loaded up. All right, guys, we are loaded up, strapped down. Let's get on the road and get this thing delivered. We will do some video on the drive. I think I'm gonna put a GoPro in the back of the truck here on the GMC looking back, and we'll see you when we get there probably. As you can see by the orange bow tie behind us, we're on our way with the OBS. Of course, the GMC needs some gas, so we need to pull into the gas station and top her off. I always get with the GMC is how it tows. As you can see, we're just over 2,000 RPMs, just kind of cruising. Look at the boost gauge here. We can just roll on the throttle. Boost comes in right away. Comes right up, right down. Show that again. We'll drop it back down to about 2,000 RPMs. Roll on the throttle a little bit again. So you can see the boost just comes right in. at Turkey Hill and fuel up. Nothing's cheap, guys. Take a quick walk around, check our straps, make sure everything's looking good. Everything's nice and tight so far. Doesn't look like it now because I had to slow down, but that guy just totally cut me off in the little Chevy there. Nice. Turbo's screaming. This truck does sound good, I'll tell you. Alright, we're pulling up here, and of course he's got a full driveway, so we're probably gonna unload here on the side of the road. That's all I'm gonna show you. It's Steve, so you guess. Alright guys, we are here. What do you think, Steve?
Oh, I love it.
Door-to-door delivery.
Absolutely. You know, it doesn't get any better than that. I barely had to leave my house and the truck is finished.
Just like that.
Definitely. Definitely.
All
the
right.
accent, the orange piece is really
The orange, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. We need to do one more thing in the back,
Yes.
which we already talked about, but we'll make that orange too.
Yeah.
We got the rough country there, we got it up front, we got the bow tie.
Definitely.
She is looking good.
This thing looks amazing.
Don't mess it up. Looks like Steve's a fanboy. We put our finishing touches on there, one on either side there and one in the back window. So we're about ready to get out of here. Steve's taking delivery. He's loving it. Let's go back home. All right guys, we are headed back home. We got the empty trailer behind us. It's starting to get dark, so, and I'm losing battery, so we'll probably see you when we get home.